tayo.
Sabay-sabay.
Oh! Sabay-sabay. Wala mo yung Jacob.
Jacob.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Pwede na ko buksan. Ay, wow! Ay, wow! Sarili ka na natin! Oh my God! Uy! What?
Blind box?
Uy, si Rabiel! Si Rabiel!
Picture tayo
Hello, Rabiel!
Yo, I got Miguel.
It's me!
Oh!
You got a coin pouch.
Where's my glasses? Parang may letter din tayo dito. Wow! May letter din tayo, guys.
Ano na? Oh, si Zion.
Oh, dami. May Rabiel na ano.
Ay! Pre, may pera yung ano.
Ay, hindi. Photocards tayo. Ayaw nga. Yan ang pinapaborito ko yung blind box.
Akala ko may pogs.
Suka natin.
Ay, mamaya mo pag-usapan.
Pagpa-uwi ng ano, ng
Ang haba.
taping, tapos papadugtog ako
Bonfire.
sa trip.
You're my favorite song. Yes, ito yung kitchen. It's me! They made it curly. Ginawang curly hair. Aba.
Wow!
I can show this. That's my gummies. With that. Ito yung stick box. Look! Then we have stickers. Tapos yung badge ng Bright BBA stickers sa gummies. Thank you so much! Siyempre, letter. Fonzie! So cute.
Thank you, Miss Mitch. Love you.
Next up, and si Rabiel. Super cool. Meron ng pa-star na ano, dun sa nakasabit. 360. Woohoo! Yun o. Grabe ang pogi oh. Parang ako. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you pa. May mga stickers pa and gummy.
So this is my me. This is Charm, my bro, and she's in a bun. Super cute. And then there's letters. There's stickers, customized also, Charm, and Brights and Ball. In fairness, and then gummies. Yes.
So hi guys. Si Calix to. Ito si Calix. Yun. Grabe kuwang-kuwa yung buhok ko. Mukha ba? Thank you.
Guys, meron akong kunin. 1, 2, 3. Hi, si Zion. It's me. And the first, meron pa. Gummy bears. Tapos dito, cash. Thank you talaga, Ate Mitch. Hindi mo ako makakalimutan.
Look. So cute.
Then, ito yung box niya. Miguel! May guitar. So cool. And then, meron kami mga Titan Day pins. And then, there's gummy. We do. And then, we got stickers. Ang ganda ng bag. And then, merong letter. Hey, may 1,000. Thank you so much, Ate Mitch. Guys, may 1,000. Thank you so much, Ate Mitch.
And yung backpack niya. Look! Ito yung nabato. Thank you, Ate Mitch. Cute.
Ani!
Ay! Ano to?
Saan mo? Wala kanina, binigay ko na. Yes.
Ano to?
Letter. Oh, yung...
Okay, mamaya na.
Pakita mo yung keychain na nasa box. So, may stickers din. Yan. Brighton ball.
Oh, lahat kami meron?
Yes. Buksan mo to. Yan. Yan, bukas na yun.
Oh my God! Gusto ko ng ganito eh. Dapat bibili ako sa saan to?
Pinakustomize ko.